Hi everyone! Kamusta po tayong lahat? Naimbang nga daw yung apo, maayong adlaw, and salamat. And all over the world, the universe rather, welcome to Kritik. I'm your Beshy. In this channel, we review anything and everything under the sun. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng OnePlus mobile phone! Dagdag kaalaman po. Ang OnePlus po ay gawa ng BDK Electronics, which brought yung Realme, Oppo, IQOO, and Vivo. Aside from unboxing, I will also discuss yung exterior features and basic technical specs. And mag-test din tayo ng camera, games, and other stuff. Yung box is dark gray blue with turquoise blue lettering. Ayan po, nagsusumigaw po yung N10. So, mga besh, eto na nga. What are we waiting for? Let's open the box. Yung pinaka-top po niya is yung maliit na box. May nakasulat na, ayan, OnePlus. Makikita po natin sa loob yung SIM ejector. And may mga kasama po siya paper docs. Ayan. And syempre, yung phone na ayaw pakuha, guys. Pa-hard to get pa siya. Wait lang wait lang. Ayan. Yes. Tada! Ganda-ganda. Kinis. Sana all. Okay. So, eto naman yung USB Type-C cable. Ang ganda ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. Yan, para kitang-kita. And then yung warp charger na 30 watts. And of course, mga besh, yung very distinct na USB Type-C cable ng OnePlus. Ito siya. Ayan. Pulang-pula. Yes, it's on fire. And syempre, kapag hinahanap nyo siya, madali lang. Alam nyo na yung pula is for your phone. Okay mga beshi, yung kulay naman po ng ating OnePlus Nord N10 ay Midnight Ice. So, ang lamig ng kulay niya guys. Ang lamig talaga. Lamig siguro ng mga jowa niya. Mga beshi siguro. Just lang. Lamig na lang natin ng panahon natin. Ang lamig sa kita tayo. Kamusta? Kakasat kita. Bagyo kang benggit. Hope you are all okay. Yung height po niya is 163 mm, width is 74.7 mm, thickness 8.95 mm, weight is 190 grams. Yung screen ay 6.49 inches. On its right, andito po yung power button. Sa left side naman, merong volume rocker and merong dual SIM card tray. One slot for nano SIM card and one slot for micro SD. Yung expandable po, memory can support up to 512 gigabytes. On its top, may butas po for the microphone, yung exterior speaker. At the bottom, there's another hole for the microphone, a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's my USB Type-C port and another speaker grip. Actually guys, isa sa nagustuhan ko sa phone na to ay dual speaker siya. Andito sa baba, tsaka sa taas. So, mas maganda po yung sound niya. Anyways, mga beshi, pag-usapan po natin yung dual speaker or another video. So please, hit the notification bell button below para po updated tayo lagi sa mga susunod na videos. Yung cover glass ng OnePlus Nord N10 is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Looking at its back, glossy and shiny po siya. I noticed na very fingerprint and smudge magnet po ito, mga besh. So, I advise na kumuha po kayo ng case. Actually guys, wala pa itong case, kahit gel case man lang. So, I'm hoping in the coming days, magiging available na siya. So, baka naman, digital walker. Bekeleng namin. Display type naman is IPS LCD with a resolution of 1080 by 2400, Full HD Plus with 405 pixels per inch, an aspect ratio of 20:9. For a phone with this price, OnePlus is very generous to put a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Manually, you can switch between 90 Hz down to 60 Hz. Syempre, if you switch to 60 Hz, the battery life can last longer. Mga besh, yung 90 Hz refresh rate is bagong feature po ng mga bagong release na phones. Dati-rati kasi 60 Hz lang po siya, pero since last year, nagiging standard refresh rate na po yung 90 Hz. And may ibang phones na actually na 120 Hz yung refresh rate, pero syempre, flagship phones na to. Refresh rate is yung number of times na nagre-refresh yung image in a second. Hindi pa naman ganun ka-big deal itong refresh rate, pero I think doon pa punta yung technology, alam mo naman. Yung purpose talaga nito, refresh rate, is pag navigate ka sa phone mo, or mag-browse ka sa web pages, scroll sa Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and social media, yung effect ng refresh rate is for just smoother experience. There's also a fingerprint scanner located at the back of OnePlus Nord N10. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa camera features ng OnePlus Nord N10. So, the front camera has 16 megapixels resolution with 2.1 aperture. Main camera is an EIS type with 64 megapixels and aperture of f1.79. Ultra-wide angle lens naman niya is 8 megapixels with 190 degrees field of view. Meron itong macro lens na 2 megapixels. Lastly, yung monochrome lens na 2 megapixels din. Ang OnePlus Nord N10 has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB ROM. Expandable po siya up to 512 GB. Let's go to OnePlus Nord N10 5G chipset. Itong phone na to is installed with Android 10 Oxygen OS 10.5. And yung chipset niya is Qualcomm SM6350 Snapdragon 690 processor. Actually, ang daming first-time features na itong Snapdragon 690 in terms of video recording, photos, AI performance, gaming experience, and audio features. And of course, mas pina-improve nila itong Snapdragon 690 compared sa previous versions. Yung Snapdragon 690 ang kauna-unahang nagkaroon ng 5G connectivity sa mga Snapdragon 6 series. Not only that, it also the first 5th gen Qualcomm AI engine and hexagon tensor accelerator sa mga Snapdragon 6 series. Ang purpose nito ay para ma-improve yung gaming performance, para hindi masyadong lag and less glitch during your gaming sessions. And lastly, this platform supports 4K HDR video recording. It's also the first sa mga Snapdragon 6 series. About the battery naman, it's built with lithium polymer, non-removable battery, and has a capacity of 4,300 mAh. And as shown earlier, it comes with a 30-watt warp charger. We will further review pagdating sa gaming experience, photo qualities, video recording, battery life, and everything on a separate video, so please watch out. And yes, mga Besh, dito sa channel natin, meron tayong tinatawag na Kritik videos. And on this segment, gusto ko lang pong i-emphasize kung ano yung mga nagustuhan ko and ano po yung dapat natin i-consider. This might help you decide if this is the right phone for you. Mga Besh, unahin na po natin if ano yung mga dapat natin i-consider before maybe buying this phone. Number one is yung display. Kung nasanay ka sa AMOLED screen display, baka manibago ka. Mga Besh, nasa sa inyo naman kung ano yung mas prefer ninyo, kung yung AMOLED or yung IPS LCD. If you want me to do a content review about it, then just comment down below. Number two is yung cover niya sa likod. Ayan, pakita ko po sa inyo. Ayan po siya. Ayan guys, so, na-notice nga natin kanina na fingerprint and smudge content po siya. Pero, magagawa namin natin yan ng paraan kapag nagkaroon na ng protective case. So, we're hoping na magkaroon na siya for our phone na ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G. And number three, yes, yung monochrome lens po. Kasi yung monochromatic effect is pwede namang gawin sa mga photo editors out there. Now, let me tell you naman po kung ano yung mga nagustuhan kong review points dito sa ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G. Number one, yung dual speakers niya. Actually, hindi ko pa siya masyadong na-explore, pero na-test ko naman siya kahit saglit lang. And the experience is really great. So, malakas po siya dahil nga dual speaker. And, pwede siya pang party! It's time to party! Refresh rate niya, sulit na siya sa price niya. And aside from that, na-enhance din po niya yung gaming experience. So yes, very good po itong phone sa mga gamers natin dyan. And number three, yung 5G connectivity niya, brought to you by the Snapdragon 690. 5G ready na itong phone. Sabi nga nila, feature ready. I've seen many of my friends using the 5G connectivity. So ang sabi nila, yeah, mabilis nga daw yung internet access, pero malakas din siya makakain ng battery. And then malakas din daw makakain. Oh no! For now, limited areas pa lang ang may 5G access. More on CBD areas. But, of course, we are getting there. So, we're hoping na as soon as possible. We will discuss my 5G experience on my next video about uploads, downloads, and video streaming. And lastly, syempre, yung presyo. Alam ko, ito yung isa sa mga kinukonsider talaga natin. Besh! Kung gusto mo ng affordable na phone na 90Hz, refresh rate, and syempre 5G enabled na siya, then this is the right phone for you.
For those who are interested, nabili ko po itong phone sa halagang 13,990. Nahabol po natin yung early bird price promo nila. Pero after the promo, yung SRP is actually 14,990. And again, pag ONEPLUS device, it is officially available lang po sa digital ONEPLUS stores.
Mga Besh, eto na nga, dito na po tayo nagtatapos ng ating unboxing sa ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, mga Besh Wops, always remember, be wise, be practical, because every decision is critical.
Nord N10. Nord N10.
ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G. Yes. ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G.